Hula Boat Care is dedicated to creating new products and kits based on the needs of our customers, and we have done just that with the all-new Quick Clean Carry Kit. This kit includes 16-ounce bottles of some of your favorites: RAD Clean All Protect for gator step surfaces and all other surfaces, including canvas covers and bimini tops; Wipeout Vinyl Cleaner for your seats and your sun pads; and Gnarly Water Spot Remover to clean off the day's ride from all hard surfaces. This kit also comes with 3 microfiber towels and a convenient drawstring bag to carry it all in. Hula Boat Care is marine safe, non-toxic, comes in reusable and recyclable bottles, not to mention it smells awesome. If you want to check out this all new kit or any of our other detail products, you can check us out at hulaboatcare.com or follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube.